In a land area of about 1 million square kilometers, one would assume that a population of about 93 million people would be distributed all over most of the land. However, one of the major problems in Egypt is that the increase rate of 2% happens on only 7% of Egypt's land, meaning 93% of Egypt's land is empty and unused. This causes continuous destruction and building on agricultural land. According to a report by the Ministry of Agriculture, the number of invasions on agricultural land has gotten to 1,460,000 cases on the total of 63,000 acres of the most fertile land in Egypt. Another problem is poor road infrastructure that causes 54% of the total accidents, resulting in about 14,000 killed and 60,000 injured and a total loss of 15 billion Egyptian pounds per year, making Egypt ranking first in road accidents. The aforementioned acts lead to an increase in pollution, a decrease in harvest, an increase in demand of exports, and in turn, an increase in foreign exchange. A solution to these problems is Dr. Elbaz's development corridor. The corridor is to consist of 1. A vertical corridor that measures 1,020 kilometers, starts from the city of Alamein and ends at Egypt-Sudan border. 2. 15 horizontal corridors that connect the vertical corridor to Egypt's main cities and will each measure 800 kilometers. The corridor should consist of 1. 8 lanes to facilitate both cars and trucks. 2. A parallel railway line to transport both passengers and goods. 3. Parallel electricity lines. 4. Parallel water lines that derive water from wells, groundwater, and both Toshka and Nasser lakes. During the Pharaonic era, the Nile River was closer to the Great Pyramids than it is now. With the passage of time, the Nile River moved farther and farther away from the pyramids, causing its previous lands to flatten. The flattening is best for the corridor due to the ease of deriving groundwater, implementing agricultural and industrial services, and more. When the development corridor plan was first discussed in 1985, it cost about 6 million Egyptian pounds. However, when discussed again in 2011, it cost about 24 million Egyptian pounds. To acquire such amount, it was suggested to sell bonds to Egyptian citizens. Development corridor towards a better future for Egypt.